Today we are taking you on Earth's epic journey, a simple story of billions of years. About 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system burst into existence like a cosmic baby shower. Our star, the Sun, took center stage, and tiny clumps of matter started coming together to form the planets. And this was the birth of the baby Earth. Earth at first was a wild toddler constantly erupting like a cosmic volcano. It belched out gases, creating its very first atmosphere. But hold on, it wasn't all smooth sailing. A few million years later, Theia, a Mars-sized planet, a troublemaker, crashed into the Earth. This cosmic collision threw debris all around, and from that chaos, our moon emerged. At first, Earth was a waterless wonderland covered in gas. But about 3.8 billion years ago, things cooled down enough for water to become liquid, and that was the time when we could have said hello to the first ocean. Fast forward to 3.7 billion years ago, and guess what would have happened? Tiny microscopic life forms made their debut in Earth's watery embrace. These little guys set the stage for the grand show, and that was about to unfold. And finally, the first continents popped up, making Earth less of water world. Scientists call them cratons, the baby steps toward continents. Meet the first photosynthesizers, cyanobacteria, around 2.4 billion years ago. They were Earth's oxygen pioneers, turning our atmosphere into a breathable space. But no carbon caused the oxygen to cool the Earth down. And the Earth was frozen for a long time, and thus resulting in the first ice age. The continents played a cosmic game of musical chairs, forming supercontinents like Rhodania and Pannonia. But then 540 to 485 million years ago, there was an explosion of new life known as Cambrian explosion. At that period, trilobites, weird and wonderful creatures, stole the spotlight in the marine ecosystem of that time. But like any great party, it couldn't last forever because of the Ordovician-Silurian extinction that happened for 40 million years ago. And that incident, climate change hit hard, causing Earth's first mass extinction. 240 to 230 million years ago, the dinosaurs appeared, and their reign continued for the next 150 million years. Pangaea, the last supercontinent, danced on the scene, but a tragic event, the Great Dying, led to the rise of new life forms. 66 million years ago, an asteroid collision caused extinction of dinosaurs, leading to the rise of mammals, including our earliest relatives. Skipping ahead, early humans began to walk upright, developed tools, and even discovered fire. The scene was set for the rise of Homo sapiens. Jumping to the more recent past, about 250 years ago, the Industrial Revolution changed everything. Humans went from farms to factories, and our global population skyrocketed. But hold your horses, because we are now facing a new challenge that is called climate change. Earth's temperature is rising, sea levels are going up, and biodiversity is under threat. If we didn't take care of things would soon get out of our hands, and then we will be ready to face a new era of extinction. So, Philosophians, this was the journey, and hope we have enlightened you with the history of our Earth from its birth till today.